Hello! Today we're gonna go check the new metro in Ho Chi Minh City. So basically, they finally opened it up. And today's my weekend, so today I'm just gonna go and test how it looks like. There'll be 3 stages of my little trip. The first one will be with my drone, so I'm gonna just get as close as possible and just fly around, see how it looks like, get some nice footage of it. So I'm gonna do the drone shots. After that, I'm gonna go back home and leave my drone. It's quite heavy. And then I'll get my camera. I'll get my camera and get to the metro and then try to just walk through it, film it and see how it operates, how it functions. And third one, just walk around. I haven't really decided whether I'm gonna take photos or make videos. I need to do both. So the first stage, let's go and try to film it with my drone. So here we are. I found a nice spot, looking good. So there's the bridge. The train will go there. I have a little nice shade here. There is a kind of weird construction site here. I have no idea what they're doing. Maybe that's gonna be a pier or something. The interesting bit is that I don't really know how often oh, there he goes. You can see, oh, there he goes over there. That's the train. That's what we need. So, okay, that looks cool. All right, that's what I'm gonna try to film. It looks nice, look at that. So basically, I'm gonna stay here and record the thing. The only thing is that I need to measure how often the trains go so that I don't burn too much of my drone batteries. So while I'm packing my drone, here's a little bit of a background history. Vietnam doesn't really have good public transport. That's a fact, everyone knows about it. But they're trying, they're thinking, they're planning, and they've been building, but for quite some time. I think they started building it like 20 years ago, but because of different scandals and problems and issues and challenges, it just kept dragging. But they finally finished it, which is amazing. There are lots of debates about whether it's gonna be successful or not. As you may know, there's so many bikes here. Some people say, who's gonna even use it? I don't know, we'll see. But first, I wanna fly around and see how it looks like. It appears to be much more difficult to film this metro because it doesn't go very often. My drone has been there up in the air for the last 5 minutes and no metro, which is a little bit awkward. Like, come on, buddy, come on, don't be shy. I wanna record you. Yeah, I don't know. Well, I'm just gonna wait. I've set this one shot, which kind of looks all right. That's kind of nice. The traffic, the road, and the metro will pass by. Should be cool, as long as the metro shows up. Should be any time, I suppose, right? Oh, here goes. All right. Whoa, it goes fast. Okay. Well, that's gonna be a nice shot. I think this will do. Well, I won't have enough battery to film another train, so it's all right, it's fine. I did quite a few good shots. Some of them are slow motion, some of them are normal motion. I'm pretty happy about it. Maybe next time I could come here maybe in the evening because the lighting will be a little bit better. But for now, this will do. Just let's land this monster. Here it comes. So, the first part is successfully done. I got some footage, don't know what I got, but it should be good. I've just checked that I actually can park my motorbike right next to the metro station, which is even better. It costs only 4,000 dong, which is really cheap. So now I'm gonna grab my camera, leave my drone here, and embark on the second stage of my journey. Soon I'll be getting hungry, so I'll film the metro, check what's around, then get into the city center, get some food, and maybe walk around, explore a little. It's very exciting. I'm loving it. Yeah, let's go and check what's happening inside of the metro. So basically, we have arrived. This is the metro station. The building looks grand. This structure is massive, just look at that. They've got multiple elevators and all that. Lovely pedestrian bridges. That's really cool, very smart, bravo. I got my scary camera with me, so I'm gonna try film stuff, see how it looks like. I'm very excited. It's my first ever ride in the metro of Ho Chi Minh City, so this should be pretty cool. Pretty cool. They told me it looks just like any other metro in the world. I don't know, it's still exciting. Anyways, let's go and check how it looks like. It is time. They made a really nice infrastructure here. So there is like a parking area for motorbikes here, which is really cool. So that's convenient. Just look at that. Brand new, all nice and shiny. There's like a parking area here, so you can park car, or if you're getting a Grab. And there you go. So that's the little bridge over there. You can walk there. That's where you can go through. There's a little pedestrian bridge to walk around. Whoa, it looks lovely. So apparently you can enter for free, but you must have a MasterCard. But if you don't have a MasterCard, you can use an app, which is pretty easy to use. You just install this app and they scan it for you and you just go in. It is not too busy. It gets much busier in the evening. Right now it's like afternoon time, so there are not that many people. I hope I'm on the right side. Am I? Correct, yes. I think. Yeah, correct. Okay, cool. I'm on the right side, that's promising. The people are waiting. That's where we're going. So, okay. Sure, no problem. Whoa, it's so strict. Okay. All right, well, this is quite fun. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, looks just like a metro in Malaysia. Pretty much the same. Not identically the same, but very, very similar. Pretty fast, efficient, loads of people. I missed my stop, but yeah, there are not that many stops available right now. These are all the stops that they made. So that's basically it. I'm at the Opera House right now. That's where I'm gonna go. Lots of people are taking photos, filming. Yeah, this is a new experience for Ho Chi Minh City, which is kind of understandable. I quite liked it, yeah. I mean, it's quite well made, you know? Like, you know, all these signboards, cameras. Camera is what brand? That's a Bosch camera. Yeah, look at all this. Everything's in order. Everything's looking nice. Well, generally good experience. Took me what, like probably 10, 12 minutes to get to the city center. This is how the map looks like. So they basically built only this blue line, and then I suppose they're gonna continue. And you can see how many lines they're planning to build. With monorail, I like that they're planning to do all this. Just to say, this one blue line took probably 20 years to build, so it does look quite ambitious to me. I don't know. Well, maybe they will realize how great this is and just gonna build this, but this is ginormous. Like, this will be a miracle if they build it. It goes all the way to Ho Chi. Well, that's like really far away. I know this area. This is where you can see these tunnels, like Ho Chi tunnels. That's far. I'm gonna make a couple of more shots here, and then it will be time to eat. I'm getting a little bit hungry, so I need to go out and grab some food. Yeah, but yeah, overall, awesome, loved it. So we're done with stage 1, which was drone flying. I'm done with stage 2, which was basically filming the Ho Chi Minh City metro from inside. And now we're about to embark on stage number 3, which is walking around, taking photos, just enjoying the city. Ho Chi Minh City is really beautiful. I really like this city. Yeah, it's got charm. It's got very special vibe. Yeah, it's lovely. It's got a pavement where you can safely walk around. And just look at this. Here's the very well-known cathedral. It's being rebuilt, reshaped, refurnished, so it doesn't look too pretty, but here it is. Well, at some point they'll finish reconstructions and it will look really nice. But right now, we need to eat. We need to get some food. And I shouldn't get hit by a car or motorbike, ideally. We're almost there, almost there. All right, done with the food, ready for a walk. I think I'm just gonna make some videos, just film some things. It's 3:30, could head back around 4 or 5. Yeah, and call it a nice day, and then go and check what I managed to film. I don't know, today is a treat. Today is a very special day. I guess it's winter season. One of my friends, Michael, was telling me that, you know, winter is Saigon and it gets a little bit cooler, it gets nicer. I could not believe. I lived in Malaysia. It's approximately the same, like all in terms of temperature. You know, it's always hot, always sunny, always rainy. And I was thinking, well, you know, maybe they're exaggerating or something, but no, it's actually much nicer. Well, it's January and yeah, the weather is just a delight. And it's nice, it's sunny. I don't know, like if you guys are planning to go to Saigon, January is your month. Just come to January, don't think about anything else, because this is a true treat. All right, I think we're slowly approaching the end of my little day tour. Made a couple of shots, not too many. I think, well, the main priority today was the metro. And I don't know, I'm just gonna keep walking around, trying to capture something interesting, but it's lovely. It's lovely. It works exactly how I kind of anticipated, that you just get to the city center, you walk around, you don't think about your motorbike or whatever, just get where you need, and then once you need to get back, just get in the metro and you're there. And this is basically it. This was amazing. Nice, modern, convenient metro with the stations that make sense, with convenient locations. Yeah, with the parking. Like it's genuinely convenient. Love it. I basically did everything I wanted to. I flew my drone. I filmed the metro in the way I wanted to. It was a little bit funny. Like it was funny to see that, you know, people are making like photo shoots, video sessions over there because it's so new, so fresh for them. That was a little bit entertaining. Then walked around the city, had a lovely walk, made a bunch of nice clips. Yeah, and it's 5 o'clock, time to chill a little bit maybe, before the traffic gets too busy. Awesome. Highly recommended. If you're considering taking a train instead of taking a taxi, do take a train. It's lovely. Anyways, this will do for now. Thanks for watching. Bye, and see you soon.